All right, Todd's here as we hit the halfway point of the week, and lots of stuff. Obviously, folks on the weekend, we're looking at it since Monday, since we're getting closer now, so probably a better idea of what's going to happen.
Yeah, we're getting closer, and the final outcome is becoming a little clearer, and it does appear like we will end up with a period of rain and wind most of the day on Saturday now. I'll give you like the magnitude of both coming up right here. So let's get into this. Right now, we're dealing with some dense areas of fog out there, more widespread than recent mornings. I mean, we've had fog almost every morning, but this morning seems to be a little bit more dense, more of a problem for your commute. There isn't a whole lot of rain out there. There's a cluster moving through the mountains and up north. There are some scattered showers in eastern Maine. Radar not picking up some misty spots. It's going right over the top of those clouds. So you'll probably need wipers just about everywhere, maybe once or twice, and a few more than that in eastern Maine right now with some showers migrating east of Bangor. We've got another front coming in from the west. This will lead to some more very heavy rainfall for some towns this evening. And then behind it, we actually catch a break for a couple of days. Tomorrow and Friday, preceding the hurricane's impacts, we'll get some quiet weather so that you can make your preparations if you need to. Gray and gloomy out there with areas of thick fog. It's damp too. We had some showers, and there are a few more out there as I showed you. It's also kind of drizzly in spots. Cloudy and very muggy during the middle of the day. It'll be a lot like yesterday, and there will be a few stray showers or quick downpours possible, but the main act is right here. This will be marching through during the evening. This is 5 o'clock, and you can see this line of heavy downpours stretching through western and southern Maine. They'll pass north and east by late in the evening for Bangor and points north, but some of these will fall during the commute. So there will likely be some drainage issues on roads leading to some commuting issues for you. So keep that in mind. Tomorrow, much better in the wake of that front. High pressure will be nosing in, and we'll have some sunshine tomorrow. Unfortunately, this front will fizzle and not be able to deflect the hurricane out to sea, and therefore it will continue on this northerly trek into the Gulf of Maine, where it will weaken considerably. But by Saturday morning, our confidence is increasing now that we will be dealing with some rain and a period of wind too, as this becomes what we call extratropical or just a powerful nor'easter, likely heading through the Bay of Fundy. By Sunday, it's north of us, and the sun is back. Hurricane effects and storm effects are all gone. So here's the latest. Coastline still battered by big breakers, perhaps 20-footers. Rip current's a factor too, so there will likely be some beach erosion. Increasing confidence now in a period of wind and rain Saturday into Saturday night, and power outages and inland freshwater flooding because of all the rain is possible. Hurricane Lee winds 115. The eye is kind of ragged, but still present. Moving to the north now ever so slowly, will weaken as it gets into our colder waters. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center right through the Bay of Fundy. The cone still stretches to the west, and a landfall in Maine could still happen. With that scenario, there could be tropical storm conditions up and down our coastline. But it seems to be, the center point right through the Bay of Fundy. That's why the Hurricane Center has it there. Briefly, winds with this look to be a bit of a problem where outage risks are starting to go up with leaves on trees and saturated ground. That complicates things. 40 to 60 mile per hour gusts are possible right now along our coastline. And then the winds will be out of here late Saturday night and early Sunday. So it's really Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, the focus right now for the potential for power outages. Marine forecast seas 3 to 5, south wind 5 to 10, water 64. There's your 7-day. Today we get those late day downpours. Tomorrow and Friday are good days. The weather cooperates so we can get some prep work done. Lee's impact would be on Saturday into Saturday night. Sun is back by Sunday morning, and it's going to be a nice day actually. Early next week, not too bad, just a brief shower possible in the afternoon on Monday.
All right, lots to keep our eyes on.
Yeah, and still a few more days before we get there where things could adjust or change slightly too.
All right, well, thank you for that. And as we continue to track